Chitra Purnima, sin-dissolving full moon and birthday of cosmic record keeper to erase karmic records and Ketu afflictions. Chitra Purnima is the sin-dissolving full moon and birthday power time of Chitragupta, the divine accountant of karma and celestial dispenser of justice. It occurs under the radiant full moon in the first month of the Vedic New Year, Chitra, mid-April to mid-May, when the sun's energy is at its highest in Aries. This powerful full moon offers an opportunity to connect with Chitragupta, the guardian of the afterlife and overlord of Ketu, to access his sin-dissolving energy to erase negative karma from your Akashic records, dissolve Ketu-related afflictions, and lighten the burdens of past and present sins. It's an ideal moment to reset your life, embrace divine wisdom, accumulate good karma, and manifest a future filled with prosperity, health, and spiritual fulfillment. Chitragupta, cosmic scribe of Akashic records and Ketu's ruler. According to the sacred text Matsya Purana, Chitragupta, born from Brahma's intellect, is a Mansputra, a celestial being created from the divine mind. He is the supreme scribe, recording every thought, word, and action of living beings across all lifetimes in the Akashic records, the cosmic ledger of karma. He sits beside Yamha, god of death, who is the final authority on one's fate after death. Worshipping him can grant balance and help clear your karmic accounts with greater awareness, liberation from ancestral curses and debts, intelligence, literacy, eloquence and logical thinking, resolution of financial, legal and spiritual challenges, discernment to make the right choices and follow a righteous path, protection from misfortunes, spiritual confusion and detachment. Chitragupta, Ketu's overlord, dissolves Ketu-related afflictions. Chitragupta is the Adi Devta, overlord, of transcendental knowledge planet Ketu, associated with unresolved karma, spiritual liberation, and past life debts. Ketu, when afflicted, can manifest as confusion, mysterious illnesses, loss, isolation, and spiritual unrest. As Ketu's controller, Chitragupta holds the key to dissolving illusions, fears, and self-sabotaging tendencies linked to Ketu and neutralizing Ketu's negative impact in the birth chart, especially during transits and dasha or bhukti, major or minor, periods. Who benefits most from invoking Chitragupta? Those born in Ketu-ruled stars, Ashwini, Magha and Mula. Those running Ketu dasha or bhukti, major or minor periods. Those having Ketu affliction in their birth chart. Those of Leo moon sign, stars Magha, Purva Falguni and Uttara Falguni. Spiritual seekers aiming to dissolve sins and align with their life's purpose. Astroved performs 7 potent Vedic rituals to tap into Chitragupta's energy on this powerful day. These ceremonies are designed to connect with his divine grace to help you absolve past and present sins hindering progress, dissolve Ketu afflictions, negative thoughts and ancestral curses, overcome obstacles caused by negative karma, gain merit for health, wealth and longevity blessings, activate clarity, wisdom, communication and decision-making, create opportunities for success in endeavors, attract justice, spiritual awakening and karmic rewards, promote harmony in personal and professional relationships,